Hi, you may have seen a little while ago I did a video about the battery in a laptop and the fact that it had exploded. Well, not exploded, it had blown up overnight. Well, the battery was taken out. We're going to order a new battery to put in it, and we haven't got to that bit yet. But however, still don't know if the computer was actually damaged. But thought I'd show you the battery. It's been put away for a while and just left. Don't do that. This is what this video is about. Don't just put your battery into a drawer, because guess what? Despite not being connected to anything, it has continued to expand. It has continued to expand enormously. Look at that. That bit there. I'll tell you how much it's expanded by. The original battery is 6.45 millimeters thick. And we go to where it's gone a bit iffy. I think that's a polite way of saying it. .83 that way. 28.83 millimeters. That is a lot of expansion, and that has not been connected to anything. That's done it purely on its own, whilst not connected to the laptop or anything. I think that's possibly dangerous. The other thing is, it's interesting that the battery itself has got 4 cells. It's only one cell that's gone rogue, but I'm thinking there is a risk of a fire or something there. I'm going to actually, well, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. I'll find some way of disposing of it. It may or may not be amusing. We'll have to see. Anyway, right. If you've got any comments, or if you've got anything you'd like to say, then please put it in the comments below. Otherwise, just like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, because you want to find out things are going on. Hopefully the channel is expanding, it's getting bigger, and more people are liking it. But let's get the word out there. That's it. I'll keep you updated. If there's anything anybody wants me to look into, more than happy to consider it, if not actually do it. And if you do contact me, I will actually take the effort to contact you back. It's not a problem. Anyway, catch you another time. Cheers. Bye.